Hi friends, today in this video we will see the solution for this question. Okay, here question is OAB is a sector of the circle having center at O and radius 12 centimeter. Okay, if measured angle AOB is 45 degree, find the difference between the area of sector OAB and sector AOB. Okay, here two sectors. First sector name is OAB and second sector is AOB. Okay, now I will draw a circle having two sectors. This is our circle. Okay, having the radius, having radius, some radius is there, right? This is our center point and this is radius. Okay, then I want to draw. This is a center name is here O. Okay, then this is our point B. Okay, then measured angle AOB means AOB will be 45 degree. Okay, I want to draw a angle now. Is now 45 degree means this is 90 degree and this is 45 degree. Okay, right. This is okay. This point name is B. This point name is B, capital B. Okay, this point name is capital B. It is our angle. This is our angle 45 degree. 45 degree. 45 small d. I will write small d means 45 degree. Okay, small d means here symbol of degree. Okay, then there are two sectors are given, right? OAB is a sector. OAB. OAB is a sector. OAB is a sector. Okay, and measured angle AOB. It is measured angle. Sector OAB. OAB and sector AOB. Sector AOB. Here two sectors. Okay, this sector having 45 degree and the other sector having whole angle is total angle is 360 degree. Means 360 degree minus 45 degree. How much? 360 degree minus 45 degree. How much? 360 degree. 360 degree minus 45 degree equal to 5 1. It is 3. Right or not? 350. Okay, 350 degree. This having 350 degree. Okay, this having 350 degree. Can I write? This is 315 degree. Sorry, undo. 350 degree means this to this is okay. This to this is 350 degree. 315 degree. Okay, right. 315 degree. Now find the difference between the area of sector OAB. OAB means 315 degree and sector AOB. Okay. First we have to find the area of sector. What is the formula of area of sector? What is the formula of area of sector? Area of sector is half into R SR of R square theta. We know the R, we know the theta. Okay, here R is how much? R is 12 centimeter. Here R is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Okay. Okay. 12 centimeter R is. Okay. Now we have to find the solution. Solution. Area of sector. Area of sector OAB. OAB equal to, want to take this thickness should be small as possible. And small. Area of sector OAB means half into R square. Half into R square means 12 into 12. 12 into 12. Okay. Then half into R square into theta. Here theta is how much? OAB. OAB means 315 degree. Okay. 315 degree. But we have to convert in radian. We have to convert in radian. 315 into what we have to do? 315 into 5 divided by 180. 5 divided by 180 degree. Okay. Then just do some modifications here. 0.5 into 12 means 6. Okay, 6 into 12 means okay, 72 into 315 into pi by 12 means here 72, right? 72. Okay, no problem. 72 into 315 into pi. Okay, pi divided by 180. Okay. Here 9 8 ja 72. At no baat. Okay, 8 here. Then this is our 315. This is our pi divided by 9 to ja, which means this 20. So 20, okay. Then now 4 here, 4 to ja, 4 to ja and 4 5 ja. Okay, 4 to ja here 8. Okay, 4 to ja here 8. Okay, this 315, no problem. And this is our pi. Our pi divided by this 4 to ja and 4 5 ja. 5. Okay, good. Then it is 12. No? Okay, now 2 into this is 315. 5 1 ja 5. 5 6 ja 30. Okay, remaining 15. 5 3 ja 15, right? And into pi. Okay, just do the calculation. You will get the answer of area of sector OAB. Very good. Okay. Then 2 into 63 means how much? 2 into 63. 2 into 63 means it is 6, 12. And this is our pi. Okay, this is unit is square centimeter. Okay, good. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, I want to erase. Okay, now I want to find the area of sector. Now Now I want to find area of sector AOP. So, okay, area of sector AOP. How to find area of sector AOP? You know the formula, half into r square into half into r square. R square means 12 into 12 here. Half into r square means 12 into 12, half into r square into theta. Here theta is 45 degree. 45 degree means how much in radian? 45 degree means in radian pi by 4. Okay, convert 45 degree in radian. You will get pi by 4. Okay, pi divided by 4. Okay, then it is good. Equal 0.5 into 12. 6 into 12 means 6 into 12 means 72. I can directly write here. Okay. Divided by pi divided by 4. Pi divided by here 4. Then okay. Okay. Divide 72 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2 8 means 4 1 is 4. Remaining is 3. 3 8 means 8. Okay. 8. It is pi. You will get the pi. Okay. 18 pi. Okay. 18 pi square centimeter. Okay. Then what is our required area? Therefore, this is TF means therefore. Okay. Therefore, required area. We have to find the difference, no? Required area equal to, what is difference? Find the area between sector this. Okay, this sector and this sector difference. Okay, it is very large. I think it is greater than 18 pi. Okay, by observing greater than 18 pi. Okay, first answer is 126 pi. Okay, 126 pi. First answer is 126 pi minus 18 pi. 18 pi. Okay. Okay, then we will get okay, no problem. This is equal to 126 pi. Pi is common here. Okay, pi is common here. 18, can I take 18 as common? Divisible by 8, 9. Sum is 3, 3 plus 9. Okay, it is divisible by 9. Divisible by 2 also. Okay, I will take pi. Okay, you do slowly if you are confusing. 126 means 18 into how much? 126, 18 1 is 18. I also don't know the table. Just do some calculation. This you will get the answer. Okay, this you will get the minus. It is something. Then you will get a minus here, and it is 1. Okay, this is 1. Okay. Okay. You will get final answer. You calculate 126 divided by 18 means you will get the 7. Okay, this the answer is 7. Okay, 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 means 6. Okay, you will get the answer. Final answer is 16 to 18. 16 to 18, how much? 16 to 18 means 108. 108. Final answer is 108. Okay. Final answer is 108. Final answer is 108. I will erase some. Okay. final answer, you will get final answer as 1085. Okay, unit is here, square centimeter, right? Square centimeter. Here in centimeter is radius is in centimeter. That's okay. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, for more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.